Hello, I'm Tyler Banks, a PhD student at the University of Missouri, and welcome to the brief introduction and quick start video guide to using SimAgent, a multi-platform tool we built here at the university to lower the barrier to entry to anyone wanting to take advantage of supercomputing resources. Traditionally, users log into supercomputers via SSH and execute a series of commands to start their simulations. However, this requires a fair amount of background knowledge to be effective. Services like the Neuroscience Gateway, or NSG, provided by the University of California at San Diego and Yale, have significantly lowered the barrier to entry by providing a web-based simulation upload system. Through NSG, users upload their code, specify the supercomputer parameters like tools and the number of cores they need, and click Start. The simulation runs, and the user can then download the results. And this is a very effective system, and it works very well, but it can turn into a time-consuming task to upload, run the code, download it, and analyze it, the results, if you need to make incremental changes to that code. So this is where SimAgent comes in. SimAgent will help you reduce the amount of time required to submit simulation jobs. The user simply specifies the local directory on their desktop containing their simulation code and essentially clicks Start. That is, they must only work from their desktop. Using the point-and-click interface, users can submit their code to NSG, and for those of you who'd like to know, this happens internally using REST calls. SimAgent also works well with any server running Slurm through an SSH connection. So jobs are then tracked until completion, and the results are automatically downloaded back to the user's machine. So in general, SimAgent follows the following display process to complete their jobs. So to get started, SimAgent can be downloaded from scineuro.org, a cyber infrastructure resource provided by a group of researchers here at the University of Missouri. Alright, so now that we're on the scineuro.org webpage, we'll go ahead and go to the top here at Projects, and then go to Training Content. We'll click there, and there'll be a section here for SimAgent. Just click this Check This Out yellow button here. The page may have changed a little bit since I uploaded this video, so just search around. I'm sure it's still up there. Alright, so this will take you to an intermediate website where we can go ahead and download SimAgent. So scroll down here and download the latest version 1.3 with the auto installer. Just hit download and save it to a good location for you. I'll be back as soon as that's done downloading. Alright, so now that SimAgent has downloaded, we will go ahead and click the folder icon to open the folder where you saved it, and just double click on the installation. So you might get this window. It's just letting you know that the application is unsigned. This is just something written by me, so we'll go ahead and run it anyway. And you'll be given a setup window. You'll select your language, and it'll open up the secondary setup window. We'll go ahead and accept the license. We'll create a desktop shortcut and install. So this will go through the steps of copying all of the necessary files to your install directory. This will take a few seconds. We'll be back as soon as that's done. Alright, so now that SimAgent is done installing, we will go ahead and click Finish. It's going to go ahead and launch SimAgent as soon as you do. You'll get a black window to start off with, and the actual main window that'll pop up right here. Since we elected to create a desktop icon, SimAgent will also be just sitting right there. Alright, so that should be it and everything you need to run that first model of yours. I'm going to include a separate link in the description for Linux and Mac users to keep this video short and to get them ready. So this concludes the basic introduction to SimAgent. To run your first model, see our next video link below. You can download the documentation as well as this transcript from the SimAgent Git page displayed here. This link is also great for if you encounter bugs or would like to see additional features added. Feel free to open a support ticket there. You're welcome to also contact me directly at my email here, tbanks@mail.missouri.edu. So we hope that you find SimAgent useful in your simulations. Thank you for your time.